Hi guys and welcome to Total Technik. Today we're working on the Audi RS6 with the BCY engine. This is the C5 platform and today we're going to be showing you how to remove and replace your mass airflow sensor, or your MAF. So let's take a look. Now, to gain access to your mass airflow sensors, you've actually got to remove the airbox here from the car. Now, I've actually already produced a video for you on how to remove this, so if you're unsure how to do it, if you scroll down to the information section below this video on YouTube, we'll add a link there for you on how to remove the airbox. And what you'll need to do, as you'll see in that video, is when this airbox is lifted out, you've got the cables and everything at the back of the engine there for the mass airflow sensors. So go down and check that out so you can kind of get to this stage, and then come back and we'll look at actually disconnecting the MAFs. So with the airbox removed, if you turn it over, obviously you can see the two MAFs here. You see we've got these Phillips size 2 screws. So if you need to remove these mass airflow sensors, all you do is quickly zip these two screws out. Got a bit of corrosion in there. I'm just going to clean that one out and come back to it. But obviously get both of those screws out, and then we can actually get this removed. So with your two screws removed, what you want to do is just grab the whole thing, carefully lift up. You've just got to be careful of this rubber seal, make sure that stays intact as you lift it out. And that is your mass airflow sensor removed and good to go.